In a vibrant, magical forest lived a cheerful squirrel named Lama. With her green dress and tiny backpack, she loved exploring. One sunny morning, she discovered a river, but her path was blocked. The old wooden bridge lay broken. Lama's bright eyes filled with worry. Across the river, a small fox sat, looking sad and unable to cross. Lama knew she had to help. With determination, she began gathering fallen branches and sturdy vines from the forest floor. She worked tirelessly, meticulously placing each piece, weaving them together to mend the broken bridge. With the bridge mended, Lama cautiously tested her work, step by careful step. It held. She crossed to the fox, offering a gentle, comforting paw. Together, they slowly walked back across the newly repaired bridge, the fox feeling much safer with Lama by its side. On the safe side, Lama and the fox stood together. They exchanged peaceful smiles, a new friendship blooming. The magical forest watched, a testament to kindness and courage.